Hi, good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a godly wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friends, to this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 24, verse 5, the wise is mightier than the strong, and those who have knowledge will grow stronger and stronger. It increases his strength. Yes, have you heard the saying that knowledge is power? Yes, that's true. But what kind of knowledge? It is revelation knowledge. It is a knowledge comes from God. Because without knowledge, you and me will perish. So that is the value and power of knowledge. That is the key to the unlock that will unlock the blessing of God's kingdom. So the Lord Jesus Christ said, you will know the truth, and the truth will set you free. So my friend, I challenge you and encourage you to be hungry for the knowledge of the truth, so that you will be avoid and you will be guard from any deceptions and falsehood and lies of the devil. So listen, my friend, I believe if you have knowledge from God, you will be protected from the lies and deception of the enemy. So I just a friendly reminders, my friend, and I declare shalom, shalom, peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more.